You gotta hold on. This is for Grammy and Grampy. It's hard to navigate this tight area right here. Milo, hold on, Milo. He would normally hold on, but he's doing it right by himself. Now you can actually get this. Turn. If you take a wide turn and a hard turn, boom. There you go, yeah, you did it. Yeah. Thanks, Grammy and Grampy, for my nice red little wagon.